Hey, this is Kay. Just wanted to show you a property I picked up this week. Got a closing actually today. Happened to be at the property just checking it out. I'm going to show you some pictures of what it looks like. So I'm just going to turn the camera around so you could actually see it. So this is the new property that I got. And we've been talking about, making money from home, picking up extra money, making passive income, increasing your income streams. So this is a property that I picked up. It's actually a duplex, so this is the top half of it. So this is actually the kitchen, really nicely done. So this one I picked up, it was quite a bargain in the sense that it's all ready to go. There's not much work that's needed. So these are the bedrooms there. It's a smaller bedroom here, so it seems like quite a neat space for someone who's looking for something nice, tapered, clean, not too much fuss of a big house. So that's what I'm doing to make money from home. I do real estate, but in addition to that, I also do things online that makes me passive income, because I definitely like the feel of passive income. So if you're looking for a way to make extra income from home, right? You want something simple, easy, much easier than real estate, because real estate does involve some work and it does involve some expenses that you got to put into it. But if you want something simple, right, that you could do from home, that could really give you some serious money in a passive fashion, then definitely check the link below. I got a business that I've been making money from it from day one. All it costs is $100 to get in, and it really has a great payout. And honestly, I wouldn't be doing that if it wasn't giving me a good payout, because it would make no sense, right? I mean, if I'm investing in real estate, you can imagine there's money's going into real estate. It's not just $100. There's thousands of dollars going into it. And if I'm doing an online business that costs $100, you better believe that it has great potential to make a lot of money. So if you're interested in something like that, check the link in the bottom of the description box, where in that business, I actually partner with people and help them to make money. So if you're struggling online, you're not quite sure how to do this, this business is something I partner with people and actually help them to make money. And if you want that kind of scenario, definitely check the link in the description box, and hit the like button if you like videos like this where I showcase things that I'm doing, and hit the subscribe button so when I do post different things that you're able to see them. So bye for now. Check the link in the description box, and I'll see you again in another video.